Class 7 NCERT Chapter 9 Question 4 Explain how soil is formed. Soil कैसे form करती है? Answer. Soil is formed due to the weathering of rocks. Weathering is the process in which physical breakdown and chemical decomposition of minerals take place, primarily by wind, water, and climate changes. In the weathering process, rocks are converted to small pieces which extremely turn to soil particles to form a layer of soil. That's it.